That's a fucking greenhead, bud.
Yeah, they are.
You ready for the bad news? I'm like 99% sure I was not rolling on this one when we shot this too.
This one hurts.
Hell yeah. Hey, no Susie killers today, you know? And you got your first drake of the year, first greenhead, I guess?
First greenhead of the year.
Hell yeah.
I'm on the lookout.
More tweetbirds. No? Two.
Passers.
Shoot them? Or...
Oh, fucking no, he dodged it.
Motherfucker. What the hell was that noise? Did it shit?
I think he shit himself. See the ripples?
Yeah. I heard something hit the water over there. I was like, what the fuck was that? Huh.
I think I made him shit him. I think I made him shit him.
Where the fuck did they come from? I bet that's where the solo out front was headed. 5. There's 5, dude.
No, there's 5.
When I first saw them, I thought they were spoonbills. Yep, they're coming closer. You want to double team them?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready?
Stand up, slowly. Start to swing. You shoot at the 2 in front, I'll shoot at the 1 in the back.
3, 2, 1.
There you go. You got these ones.
1.
There you go.
Please tell me this is rolling. My depot.
Yeah.
Son of a bitch. What the fuck? What's up? I'm out of ammo.
Fucking hell!
I somehow just kept shooting behind it. Each time I would shoot, and I'd look, I'd see the pellets, and I'd just see it swimming on the other side. I'm like, what the fuck? I wonder if it's because it was so far away.
Have you tried not shooting behind it?
Yeah. Next time I'll just shoot.
What's our hit ratio today? I don't know how many shells I've gone through. I think 15 would probably be a safe bet.
I think I've went 56.
Well, I used 6 shots on one teal. On one teal. I mean, I didn't hit that teal 6 times, but I took 6 shots and I only got a teal back, so.
Got a really great view right now of this guy back here fishing.
Yeah, it's been a slow one. Early morning started off pretty good, but as soon as that sun came up over the horizon, they just stopped flying. Had a few passing shots, but nothing wanted to decoy up. You know, we have these days. We have slow days, we have good days, but right now we're still shooting local ducks. The migration hasn't kicked in yet, so you know, we expect it. No, I'm doing all the talking. You did all the talking last time.
That's right. Haha, got him. Yeah, you know, not every day you're gonna come out and hit your limits or whatever, you know. But still an awesome day out here. Beautiful weather. Honestly, maybe a little too good weather. But first thing this morning, 2 Drake Mallards right off the bat. Then we also got a spoonbill. I was gonna say shoveler, but then we got a spoonbill, and I got a hen teal. So not a terrible day by far, but you know, just a little on the slow side. This after the first hour shooting light, it's been pretty slow. So gonna be wrapping it up, packing it in, and might be coming out tomorrow. We'll see later what we're feeling like. But hopefully you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
There goes Chris, just left me high and dry, all alone. If I die out here, I'll be all alone. Jerk.